Lecture 9 Philosophy and Ethics in AI Part 2. Using AI depends on the data set as well as the model. We may need to notice that human bias exists in datasets everywhere. There's a jargon in computer science which is called garbage in, garbage out. We can take a look at the diagram. If you have garbage data, even though you have a gold or a diamond model, your results will be garbage. Similarly, if you have a very good data, but you have a garbage model, your results will also be garbage. If you train your AI with such data, your results will also be biased. If we relied on such AI, we will reinforce existing bias. Here are some problematic examples: job interview selection, mortgage loan approval, parole approval. If the training data has problems, for example, only certain types of people can get a job, get a loan, or get a parole, meaning the data are biased, then the whole system will not work. I'm going to show you another example. What is the problem in the following pictures? One of the labels is not correct. This is what we call the Google's racist algorithm. In 2015, Google's photo image labeling algorithm mislabeled a black woman as a gorilla. Unfortunately, the problem remains unsolved as of 2018. Instead, Google censored image tags related to primates. Therefore, we have to worry about corner cases not found in training data.